Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a frustrating issue many of you might facing a modern Warfare 3, the lobby not found error code 2091. Let's dive right in and explore some effective solutions. This error typically occurs when the games fail to connect you a multiplayer lobby. It can be caused by server issue, corrupted game files, and the connectivity problems. Don't worry, we have some straightforward fix to get you back into the game. First, try restarting your console on PC. This simple step often resolve connectivity issue and can get you back online quickly. Step 2, and the modern fix warfare and use system and up to date. Sometimes outdated software can cause compatibility issues that lead into this error. Check your internet connection, switching from a wired and wireless connections and restarting your router can sometimes resolve connectivity issue. If you are using platform like the Steam and the Battle.net, verify the integrity of your game files. Corrupted files can prevent the game from the connecting to lobbies. Try logging out and then back to into your activation account. This can resolve you the synchronization issues that might be causing the errors. And that's it. This fix should help you to resolve the lobby not found code error 2091 and the modern warfare 3. If you have any other question or need further assistance, feel free to leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving content.